Hi teacher, good afternoon. Here's my identification. My name is Lice Daniela Pinzon Hernandez. Here my work of the postcard right now is here. Hi there, I'm fine. This play made me so happy. Right now, I'm in Rome in the Colosseum. It's an old construction of the Colosseum. It's an amphitheater in the center of Roma. This place is wonderful. It's very big, very beautiful. Are in Roma center. I like this place because it's magnificent, imponent. These parts are in ruins, but it's an important example of Roma architecture. I eat so much spaghetti because Roma have a museum dedicated to the pasta. Tomorrow we will show you more pictures of here. Love you there, Danny. Thanks, teacher.